Ever pondered the question, who experiences stronger sexual attraction, men or women? It's a topic that has intrigued psychologists, scientists, and everyday people for centuries. Today, we're diving headfirst into this fascinating discussion, examining the perspectives of both men and women. From the male perspective, many believe that men experience stronger sexual attraction, often citing biological arguments. They argue that evolution has hardwired men to be more visually stimulated given their historical role as hunters and gatherers. They also point to testosterone, the hormone most associated with sex drive, which is produced in greater quantities in men. There's a common belief that men think about sex more often than women, but it's essential to remember that frequency doesn't necessarily equate to intensity. Now let's turn the tables and explore the female perspective. Women, on the other hand, often express that their sexual attraction is more emotionally driven and complex. They argue that while visual appeal might spark initial interest, emotional connection and mental stimulation play a significant role in their sexual attraction. Some women also argue that their sexual attraction is more intense because it's multifaceted, encompassing not just the physical but also the emotional, intellectual, and even spiritual dimensions. However, it's important to note that these generalizations do not hold true for everyone. Human sexuality is incredibly diverse, and individual experiences of sexual attraction can vary greatly. There are men who value emotional connection just as much as, if not more than, physical attraction. And there are women who are just as visually stimulated as men. Moreover, research in this area remains inconclusive. While some studies suggest that men have a higher sex drive, others indicate no significant difference between men and women. There's also a growing body of research exploring the fluidity of sexual attraction, challenging the binary view of male versus female experiences. In conclusion, the question of who experiences stronger sexual attraction is complex and multifaceted. It's not simply a matter of comparing men and women, but understanding the diverse ways in which individuals experience and express their sexuality. Whether you identify more with the male or female perspective, or somewhere in between, remember that your experience is unique and valid. To summarize, we've explored the perspectives of both men and women on sexual attraction. We've seen how men often view their sexual attraction as more visually driven, while women tend to view theirs as more emotionally complex. We've also highlighted the diversity of human sexuality and the inconclusiveness of research in this area. Ultimately, the intensity of sexual attraction is a deeply personal experience that can't be neatly categorized or quantified. Remember, it's essential to respect and value all experiences of sexual attraction, regardless of how they align with traditional gender norms. After all, the richness of human sexuality lies in its diversity and complexity. We hope this discussion has offered some food for thought and sparked curiosity to continue exploring this fascinating topic.